Video 712, let's fucking go. So in shader source number 8, which is our bombs for Josh shader, we've injected these rules. So data RULGEOM v16 to V.I.A, and this is going to tell us what's going to happen to the graphic after it encounters a flame. Is it going to become void? Is it going to become invincible in case nothing happens to it? Or is it going to become an alto graphic? Okay, down here in the RULGEOM data section, we have a little explanation of what V.I.A stands for. I already gave you that explanation. You can pause here to read this. And then down here is our lookup table for v16 to V.I.A, which has 16 entries, because v16 goes in, of which there are 16 different values, and this V.I.A enumeration goes out. We're going to initialize it right down here. We're going to get alias to the lookup table. We're going to enumerate things as such here, and then here's all of the rules. So we have the rules for the nothing tile, the glowing tiles, the soil tiles, the purple tiles, for lack of a better name, the falling tiles, the god vents, or the god materials, and then the combustibles. Okay, let's go down here. So in our preprocessor function for ARTGIRL, we are taking the lookup table of arrays and adding the lookup table at the end, and in the lookup table of names, this is the name we're going to refer to it in the shader code, and the lookup table of tokens, this is our injection site token for this new lookup table. Increase the max index here so that everything works correctly. Okay, so here's what we did previously, and then right down here are our footnotes, and then here's what we did in this video. If you do want a longer, more in-depth explanation, go to tinyurl.com/ninjaplaylist8. You are at tinyurl.com/kanjiplaylist8. If you just want technical demos because this hurts your brain, go to Weeboo Playlist 8. Source code is here. Ways of getting a hold of me are here. Like and subscribe. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb game, and it's called Atomic Ivy MMO. I'm writing the server, the rendering engine, the simulation code. I'm writing it all. I am documenting every fucking single line of code, and I hope somebody out there appreciates this. So like and subscribe if you are interested in what's going on here.